Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about converting mixed fractions. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. Question 1. 2 wholes and 3/2. The aim is to try and convert this into a top-heavy fraction, i.e. the top number, the numerator, is bigger than the bottom number. The first thing we're going to do is circle our whole number and our denominator. The reason for this is because we are going to multiply both these numbers together. Once you have multiplied both these numbers together and got 4, we need to add on our numerator, i.e. 3. This will give us our overall numerator. 4 plus 3 gives us 7, and then we divide by our denominator, which is 2. So our final answer is 7 divided by 2. Question 2. 4 wholes and 2/3. We are going to use the same method again, and we are going to circle our whole number and our denominator together and multiply them. This will give us an answer of 12. Then we need to add on the numerator. 12 plus 2 gives us an answer of 14. And then we divide by our denominator, which is 3. So our final answer is 14/3. Now that we have practiced 2 questions, it's time for the bonus question. Question 3. 3 1/4 plus 2/5. I want you to try this question and leave your answer in the comment section below for me to see. If you're struggling to add fractions, then you can watch this video, which will help you and explain how to add fractions once you have converted into a top-heavy fraction. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos.